So this is where we're at. I've got one piece almost removed. I'm working on shimming up the wall right now so it doesn't fall down. You can see there I got my little shims, and I just made those out of the board that was here, but further over here it wasn't rotten. I'm working on removing this wood. I've got some shims under the front already. I am a little concerned because this 2x6 right here has a little bit of rot on the top of it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that yet. I might have to replace it, but so that's where we're at. I planned on recording a whole bunch of this, but I didn't, so my bad. But there it is. And my plan is to get this one board replaced so I can get my workbench and my roll-arounds out of my laundry room and back in here. And then, I don't know, I kind of wanted to go to this board over here, but I think I should do the board in the front, goes across, because that one seems really bad. So there it is. Hopefully I'll get some time-lapse footage of me working on it. Okay, so I've got it all cleared out all the way down that wall up to right there at the corner. I still have a little bit right there. I do have a shim there and there. Still have a little wood under there, and then some to go to there where I have another shim. And I'm at a standstill now because these shims in the front I'm having to hammer in, where these ones on the side were just sliding in. So the wall's getting so heavy pushing down that yeah, I'm at a standstill until I get my new piece of wood, get it properly sealed, and then we'll get it replaced, and then we'll start on the next piece. I'm tempted to remove that wall in the front there, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So I guess time to move on to another project while I wait for materials for this one.